Hello and welcome, dearest. I'm Grandma Mimsy, and I am doing a review on Meoky in their tumbler. And this is, I'll get you the right one here. I had it. There we are. It is. I wrote it out so I wouldn't. So I wrote it out so I would remember exactly what to tell you that it is. The 40-ounce stainless steel insulated tumbler, words are hard, which can be used to for beverages that are hot or cold. I want to say it's 24 hours, but don't quote me on that. I could be wrong. It is quite a long time that it does keep things cold, as well as I want to say 10 or 12 hours for things that are for hot beverages. This is what I'm going to call limited edition Halloween, because they did say what's in their store for Halloween. Once it sells out, they're not reprinting it. They're not bringing it back. They do have colors that they keep all the time, but this is an image that they will not be reprinting. And by the way, it is glow in the dark. So let me put it under a light source to have it charge for just a few minutes. And while that is happening, I'm going to turn off my lights. I have many. And while it's not completely dark, because again, I have a lot of lights on, you can see where it is lighting up quite a bit. The bones, so all the white parts, the eyes behind the pumpkins. So a lot of these, I did not charge it fully, but a lot of these items will light up because you can tell around the pumpkin, just the coating of it. This one is not dishwasher safe. We'll go ahead and turn our lights back on because that makes things better. It is not dishwasher safe, so it is hand washable. It does have this one would also help. Stainless steel interior. It does come with a straw. And I believe it did come with a topper, but I want to say it was a pumpkin. It fell out and I didn't pop it back in. So because this is supposed to be non-spill, that when the straw is out, there is the mechanism here that pushes that open. And so because of that spring, when the straw is in, it will keep it at an angle to make sure that it's not going to pop out and all that fun stuff. So these are basically without the straw in there, they don't spill. And I don't have anything to show you that, but I do have another version that I did show briefly the unboxing. I didn't show the details of. There are two types of bottles they sell. One is under the Meoky brand, and one is under the Can brand. And the Meoky cannot go in the dishwasher. I believe the Can are able to. It's just a difference of the designs that they do. But from what I understand, a lot of their holiday designs do not get reprinted. So go get them while you can. These are, excuse me for coughing in your ear. These are some nice tumblers. They are comparable to the other higher priced, more well-known versions of tumblers. In my opinion, I think these are nicer just because of the construction and just all the elements that go into it. And you get a little bit better price point So they are in my showcase. Go check it out. See you soon. Please be kind. Do not let those who are in the Misery Loves Company Club recruit you, and they're always recruiting. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.